Okay, write down post accrual or deferral document, or create accrual or deferral document. Write down the path. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, periodic processing, closing. Next one, valuate. Next one, enter accrual or deferral document. Enter accrual or deferral document. Transaction code FBS1. Transaction code FBS1. I'll repeat once again. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, periodic processing. Next year you can see this is closing, month end activities or year end activities. So closing. Next one, valuate. Click on valuate. Enter accrual or deferral document. Transaction code FBS1. Enter accrual deferral document. FBS1 transaction code. So we are posting one document. So I'm posting. So it's a month end activity. So what I'll do, 31/12/2022. We are in 23, right? Okay, fine. So document type, what is the document type? SA. What is my company code? UT01. Only for few days, only for another 2 to 3 days, we are going to work on UT01, and later we will come into our company. Okay. So INR. So here I'll do it as an AD01, accrual and deferral document, AD01. Next one, accrual document, So here I'll mention the reversal reason code as reversal reason. I think we have created, right, our companies. Okay, the 9/8 period automatically it will take. So I'm taking some reason. Actually, it should display our reason codes. Is it UT01 only company?
Yes, sir. From past few days we have.
The last 2 days we are doing the same company code, right?
Yeah.
UT01. Next one we will mention here. It should be okay, but I'll okay. Accrual. I'm selecting 05, and I am taking this as a month date 01/01 2023. Just write it down. And next one, 40. So we have created 2 lakhs. Chart of accounts, right? Company. See this. Sorry. We are in wrong server. I'm very sorry. This is the issue. The servers. I need to log in different server. Sorry. For other batch, I'm doing in different server. So directly I'll do with the transaction code FBS1, right?
Yes.
Okay. 3112 SA, company code UT01, posting date. I'll take it as in 3112, 3112, 2022. Period automatically currency INR. Reference number 8001. Text approval document. Correct. Now you will get the reversal reason codes. U0 for ultra accrual deferral reversals. Just write it up. And the reversal document, the reversal date is I'll take 01/1/2023. Posting key 40. And I'll take 2 lakhs. Let me check here. Rent receivable 2,70,000. Write down this. Document date, type, document type, company code, posting date, period automatically it will be picked according to your document date, posting date, sorry, currency. Next one 8001 I'm giving, any description you can give. Accrual document, reversal document, reason code for reversal and reversal date. And posting key 40 and account rent receivable account. Any outstanding amounts. Okay. So press enter. Can I go ahead?
Yes, sir.
Okay, press enter. Okay, posting period is not opened, right? So what I'll do is I'll do it as a month end activity. 31, what was July, right? Last month, 31 July.
Yep.
Okay, it's a year end or month end, it will be the same. 31, because again I need to go back and I need to open the periods. So instead of that, so here I'll change to 1/8/2023. So here normally if it is an year end, then we will take 31/12, right? And very next day month and month date. Now I am doing monthly closing. Just write it down. Press enter. So I'm giving amount 30,000. Okay. Next one, value date. I'll give it as an 31st July, 31st July 2023, 2023. So give the description. Rent provisional entry. Rent provisional entry. Posting K50. Posting K50. Next one, rent account. So it's 3,20,000. So if you don't remember, go to rent received account. So here, rent received account, 3,20,000. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So press enter. Star to copy the amount. Plus to copy the text. Star to copy the amount. Plus to copy the text. So we need to give business area. Business area UHYD. UHYD. Profit center we don't have here. So go to profit center column here. Profit center U9000. Give profit center a business area. Profit center U9000. Click on OK button. Click on OK button. Document. Simulate and save. Is this clear? Clear? Any questions?
No, sir.
Right. So click on document. Simulate. Now you can see here rent received is debited and sorry, rent receivable has been debited and rent received has been credited. So write down this entry. Rent receivable is debited. Posting on 31st. When it's going to be reversed? When we are going to reverse this particular document? See, previously, whatever reversal document we are going to do, we don't know which date we are going to reverse it, correct? But here you can see the document date is 31, posting date is 31, right? Transaction date is also 31. But here you can see the reversal date. Additional, it is showing when we need to reverse it.
1st of August.
Yeah. Okay. See, normally when we do the reversal, when we need to reversal normally for normal entries.
It will take same date.
Sorry, no. Normally when we reverse the documents, when you will reverse any document,
If there is anything wrong first.
correct, anything wrong in the document, correct, then
Yeah.
only we will reverse it. But this particular entry, this provisional entry, we will book it on 31st and definitely immediately we need to do reversal. Means as you remember yesterday thumb rule, whether it's paid or not, whether it's received or not, we need to show in the books of accounts, correct? So according to
Yeah.
that, on 31st of the day, we will enter into the books of accounts and very next day, we will reverse that. So in 31st of July, in the sense that particular month, the transaction will show in the books of accounts, but actually it's not paid. Okay, so that's the reason very next day we will reverse it. Again, it will come under open item. So at least we need to pay in this particular month. Last month rent we have to receive, but we not received, but still we have entered into in the books of accounts. But very next day in the 1st of August we have reversed it. Why? Because it need to show that we need to receive that amount and it will show under a current asset. Hope it's clear. Yes, no.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so it is known as a known reversal document. By looking at any normal document, we don't know whether it's going to be reversed or not, correct? But for accruals, it is known as a non-reversal document. Remember that. What do you mean by non-reversal document? Interview point of view. What do you mean by non? What are the non-reversal documents you will do? All the month-end entries. Clear? All the month-end transactions or year-end transactions, we will reverse very next day or very next year, first day of next year. So those are known as a non-reversal documents. Clear? Okay. Click on post. So write down this document. Write down the document number 19/13. Next one. Step number 2. Step number 2. Reverse accrual or deferral document. Again, I am showing it as a month-end activity. Path, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, periodic processing, same, closing, valuate, path still here, it's the same. Reverse accrual or deferral document. Transaction code F.81. Transaction code F.81. Sorry. F.81. F.81. Reverse accrual deferral document. F.81 transaction code. Okay, company code UT01. UT01. If you don't know the document number, leave it. So 2023. Click on execute. So test run, click on execute. So it's automatically pick the deferral document number. There's a document posted on UT01 2023 31/7 31/7. Reversal date 1/1/2023. Sorry, yeah, 1/8/2023. So next click on reverse document. Click on reverse documents. Click on reverse document. See here, this is the reversal document number. This is a reversal document. You can write it down. So click on reversal document. So write it down this entry. The entry was reversed, right? So 40 rent receivable account debited, credited. So if you go to reversal document, it is opposite. 40 rent received account debited, rent receivable account credited. See here you can see document date, okay, it won't change, but you can see the posting date. Automatically it got, we didn't given anywhere the posting date. It got changed as a 1/8/2023. Understood? Did we given anywhere posting date in the reversal?
No.
Automatically it picked because we have given as an 1/8/023 at the time of posting. So from there it has been picked. So you can see the general ledger view. It is showing your reversal document number and the GL account which has been debited, the GL account which has been credited, rent received has been debited. In the original document, rent receivable has been debited and rent received has been credited. But in the reversal, it is showing rent received account debited to rent receivable account. So 30,000, 30,000. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is about your accrual and deferral entries. This is about your accrual and deferral. That's it. Any whatever entries you do, you will follow the same procedure. So any questions on this? Okay.
It should be reversed on the date. I mean, next day only. If we forgot to do it, means what will happen, sir?
That's what it is very important. It is our activity to do it immediately. If you forgot, then probably it will the entry will not be showing the books of accounts open as an open item because it should show. So that's the reason we will have a 5 days time, right?
Yes.
We will have a 5 days time to open and close the books of accounts. Those GL people will take care of it, and definitely
Oh,
they will reverse and they will open in the books. They will close the books. They will open the books. Their main job is itself is open and close, and they need to check which has to be posted an accrual deferral and which has to be reversed. The system will not prompt any this thing triggers or something. Hope you got my point.
yes, sir.
It's our see you have got 60 invoices and you have posted 50 invoices. So from system, any uh, trigger you are going to get that you missed 10 invoices
No.
in the same way. You have booked the entry, but you have not reversed it on first or very next day, next year. Then it will not going to
So who will do the reversal? We will only do.
GL people.
Uh,
End
GL
user
people.
level,
GL.
GL people
GL.
only do it. It's a GL.
Okay, because I have seen doing accruals only.
Have you done accruals?
No, I didn't done, but I have seen when my
Yeah,
senior
GL
is
people
doing.
will do that.
Okay.
RNB, there is a team called RNB, receipts not billed, GL team.
Okay.
Yeah, those people will do this. Next one, I need to check whether cross-company code will work here or not because, okay, but still we will follow the procedure. Next one, cross-company code document reversal. Okay, so first step, I'll just give the steps. I don't know whether we posted it or not in this. So first step, write down, display cross-company code documents. Display cross-company code documents. If I miss here, I'll show you this in AP module, accounts payable module, the cross-company codes posting, because already we have posted. But in this particular server, I am not sure whether we have posted or not. So write down display cross-company code documents. Write down the path, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, financial accounting, general ledger, document, cross company code transaction, display, FBU3, FB03, normal document display, but cross company code or intercompany code transaction display, FBU3. Do you have an intercompany code, intercompany transactions in your organization?
Yes, sir.
Right? So how to display them? FBU3, not FB03. So FB03, it will display all the documents, but FBU3, it will display only intercompany transactions. Okay, let me show once again the path. I'm not sure whether we have posted anything in this particular server. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document, clear, cross company code transactions, So we have a different options here. Okay, display. display FBU3, display FBU3, FBU3. So click on same thing FB03, it will give you the document number. So click on document list. Click on document list. Give your company code. Give your company code UT01. UT01. Your company code UT01 and click on execute. So normally we don't have any entry. We don't have any entry. Okay. So, but here it will show whatever documents are posted in intercompany. Already we saw intercompany postings. Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that particular entries, I think 3 or 4 documents we have posted. Rent is supposed to be received by one company and received by one company code.
Another company.
Paid by salaries belongs to one company, paid by another company code. Correct? Like that, 3 to 4 transactions we have seen. Those 4 transactions will be get displayed. And the same thing we are going to repeat in accounts payable module also. So meanwhile, I can't do the configuration right now. So you can see this. So it will display the complete list of cross company code. Okay. So next, write down reversals. Second step, reverse cross company code. It's as normal document reversal only. If documents are exist, then we can reverse it as it is. So but I would like to show you the sample. Reverse cross company code document. Reverse cross company code document. Okay, next, write down reverse cross company code document. SAP menu, accounting, financial accounting, general ledger, document, cross company code transaction, cross company code transaction, reverse, FBU8, normal document reversal,
FB08.
FB08, here it is, FB03, FBU3, FB08, FBU8. That is the difference. Okay, so here FBU8. So I'll go back. So here you can see reverse FBU8. Right? If you remember any this one document number, if you have posted already, so you can select that document number here. Okay, cross company code it's a normal document, but here we need to select cross company intercompany document number, and next one company code, fiscal year, reversal reason code, and posting date. What on which date you want to post the document? It's the same normal today's date. Okay, just write it down. We need to give cross company code document, that is nothing but intercompany document. Okay, company code, fiscal year, reversal reason code, and next one posting date. Okay, if you want to see display before reversal, you can, and after that post. So for example, intercompany is posted, for example UT01 to UT02, then the 2 documents number will be generated. One is in UT01, another one is in UT02, because the transaction belong to 2 different company codes. So that's the reason we call it as an intercompany or a cross company code transactions. Clear? So I'm not able to show this because already we have done those entries. If it is there in your server, you can do it, the reversal part. You can see. Is that clear? Any questions here till here? I'm just showing the procedure right now.
No, sir.
Okay. So next. Okay, next one. Bank interest calculation. Next step, right up. Bank interest calculation. Put a heading as a, this is a different topic. Bank interest calculation. One second. So just thinking whether we need to complete this or. Normally this will not be covered actually, but still this is additionally we are covering. Give me a second time. Created the GLs or not. Okay, put a heading as in bank. Yeah, we will cover bank interest calculation. Bank interest. Bank interest calculation. It's nothing but month-end activity. Month-end activity. It's a month-end activity. We have three different methods. We have three different methods. One is interest. First one, interest indicator. Interest indicator. Okay, interest indicator to be maintained. Interest indicator to be maintained. So here we have three types of interest indicators. One is types of interest, types of indicators. One is balance interest indicator. Balance interest indicator. Balance interest indicator. Then next, item interest. Item interest. And we have one more indicator, penalty interest. Penalty interest. So we have three types of interest indicators: balance interest, item interest, and penalty interest. So write down this. Balance interest, item interest, and penalty interest. Okay. So here in GL module, we are going to talk about only balance interest indicator. Okay. Okay. Item interest, we are going to calculate, we will consider in AP and AR module. Okay. And penalty interest, we are not going to use it normally in any organizations. In general, any businesses, this will be calculated in banking sector. In banking sector, not in any organization. So this particular balance interest we are going to discuss in GL module. Okay, and this we are going to discuss interest, item interest. We are going to discuss in APAR module. Okay, and this penalty interest is not for any organizations, any businesses or any companies. This normally used by banking sector. Is this clear, everyone? Any questions? Any
No.
questions? Okay. Right. So if your client is a bank client, then they use this particular penalty interest. Okay. Okay. What do you mean by balance interest? Okay. What is balance interest? You have to pay 1 lakh. Okay. For example, we will go with the balance interest. You have 1 lakh in the bank. You need to pay, and after 20 days, you pay 20,000. Okay. You pay 20,000. Okay. So for example, on 1st of August, you took 1 lakh. Okay. And after on 10th, you paid 20th. Okay. So for 10 days, it will calculated interest on 1 lakh. For first 10 days, it will be calculated on 1 lakh. Diminishing interest calculation, you remember, you will have diminishing interest whenever you will take a loan on housing loan or any motor vehicle loan or any personal loan or anything. They will say that you have a diminishing balance interest rate. What is diminishing balance interest rate? As long as you pay the amount, it will be deducted from your principal, right? And the balance amount, so you paid 20,000 here. So what is the balance left? First 10 days it will be calculated on
80.
10 days. Okay, interest will be calculated on 10 days, and another 20 days it will be calculated on 80,000. Another 20 days. Is this clear?
Yes, Naveen.
Yeah. So this is balance interest calculator. So diminishing balance. Okay. Fine. Okay. So this is one balance amount, 10 days 1 lakh, and 20,000 80,000. So interest will be in general, it will be calculated on this only. We will. So for this we need to define. For that we need to define debit time, or else I'll write like this. Debit time dependent, debit time dependent terms, so it's very important, debit term dependent terms and credit time dependent terms. Dependent terms, debit time dependent terms and credit time dependent terms. And we need to create a reference interest rate, reference interest rate, and here also a reference interest rate, Clear? I'll just remove this. Okay. So here I'll take it. How we need to map. Sorry. Okay. So we have a standard keywords. So 0001. So for interest received, we have a key interest received. So interest received, interest paid. Interest received. Okay. So here it is 0001. Triple zero one. It's triple. Write it on 0001. These are the symbols. 0002. Write it on 0002. Interest paid. Interest paid. Interest paid. Okay. And next one. 1000.
These are special case.
GL account earned. GL account earned. And next one. 2000. GL account. Standard keys these are. GL account. Paid GL account. Okay. For example. Okay. For example, we took loan from ICICI Bank. Okay. We took a loan from ICICI Bank. So we are paying interest. Then the entry would be interest paid account debited. So two, for example, we are taking a car loan account. ICICI car loan account. Okay. So here, what is the symbol for paid interest to paid account? It's a 002. Fine. It's not a posting, it's a symbol. For example, it's a 2000, 12,500. It's a 12,500. So we have taken a loan from ICICI car loan. For example, I'll take example. Took car loan from ICICI. Okay, this is the entry when we pay interest. Another example, we have advanced loan. We have given a loan advance. Advanced means we have given a loan. Advanced loan to employee. See, whoever working in our organization, we have given the loan to employee, then the entry would be loan to employee account. This is nothing but received, right? So the keyword would be triple zero. Oh, sorry, it's a 1000. So here it is interest earned, interest paid 02 0002 and ICICI car loan. So GL account loan paid, which is GL account 2000. This key. Next one, here we have took loan. So what is the loan? GL account earned, we have given. So interest we are going to get. So here it's 1000 keyword. Okay, next loan to employee, account debited 6400. Okay, so here interest earned, what is interest received? It's a 001. So interest received account, 6400. Just write it down. Interest received account. So I'll make this. Okay. So yes is batch. One second, let me save this document. Tomorrow we need to work on this. Yours is 21, right?
Everything you will save in OneDrive, Naveen.
Sorry, no, I'll save in different this thing, because if something is lost, then I can recover from anywhere. Okay. That's it. Just kindly write it down. Once you're done, let me know. Key
Done, sir.
indicators are important here. Okay. So we will see the tomorrow the configuration part and the creation part. So we will create the define interest types and GL account creation. So first we need to create the ledger accounts in FS00, and after that we need to create this interest calculation types. Clear? It's a little lengthy topic, so probably we'll try to complete in tomorrow session. This is, and hardly like in this week we are going to close this GL module, because even foreign currency valuation is also little lengthy topic. Okay.
Okay.
So this week we will wind it up this GL module, and at least from Monday we will start the accounts payable module and accounts receivable modules.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you very much. See you in tomorrow's session.
Thank you.